Okay, so I want to take your advice to do the Prusa 3D uh, download, one being the 2.2.9, and that came with the slice, the Prusa slicer. And also from another download I had prior on the Windows 7 machine, I downloaded and installed Pronterface, and I was using that last night to be able to interface the G code, actually update some of the settings based on the Hackaday IO. I think it's Michael O'Brien, I want to say. Settings for stabilizing basically the temperatures instead of being so erratic and bouncing around. All I did was with this Windows 10 machine, I didn't have to install the printer driver. Um, Comp was available with the USB cable, and I just went ahead and connected. Set my heat to 195, my bed to 50, and that might be a little low. I see some of the recommended settings are 260. I literally didn't change any other settings. I loaded the file, and the file I loaded was the 40 millimeter NATO to 3M filter adapter, and there's an inside file that's part of the package when you download the files. It should be in the description here. Yeah, this inner shell I had opened, I think it was, or did I import? I imported actually the STL, and then I cut the bottom portion off. So basically, that was my first experience with editing, and I don't see the view right now. Is not going to show why. There were the icons, and I'm not seeing them come up. Anyhow, oh, there it is. So here it is. Here's cut. So I used the cut and basically just kept the upper. I unchecked keep lower, and then I changed the setting to 10. So basically, I cut a centimeter off the bottom, and then I exported the G code, and I loaded the G code file to get what we have now. So that's this, and then I had uh, the infill to 50. And I think I could have changed the style of infill used. I did a fill pattern of stars. I don't know if that's the best. Probably honeycomb would have been better or something different. And I'm not sure about these top fill patterns, bottom fill patterns. Uh, there's still settings. And this is my first print, literally. So I'm actually really impressed with the quality of the print. And let's see, where is that at? That's going to be right here. This is, to me, very impressive. And I agree. I need to clean my nails and trim. If you notice that, also, I know I did. Like, oh, what's in my fingernail? When they're trying to be trimmed. But the quality of print to me is impressive for the first time using this used, new to me, $100 Monoprice Mini, a 4-year-old printer, and a Hatchbox zero 03. I forgot this. The metric is a tolerance or something like this. 1.75 millimeter orange PLA filament. Yeah, so this will be an interesting. This will get the PAPR, the do-it-yourself 2 or whatever design iterations I go through. Moving forward with those pieces that aren't going to be plastic welded or plastic cuts and fits. Um, I have a little more need for detail, but if you notice, I didn't use risers at all. So that's one of the things I forgot. I forgot to